Good morning, guys. It's Traveling Mayhem here. We are in Winters, California today. We're just giving you that hotel tour. Brand new hotel. Hotel Winters is literally what it's called. Give you a quick tour of the lobby, of the outside, of the front, and then a tour of our room, which is already a mess right now. But you'll see from the previous video recorded yesterday that it wasn't a mess. So you get actually the whole vibe of this room. Fun place, Winters, California, population like 1,100 people here, small town, good restaurants, highly recommend just coming here to stay. Hotel was a little pricey, but you know, for this environment and everything, worth it. Great restaurants, all within walking distance, breweries, pubs, everything. I think there's only 12 restaurants in this whole town, and they're all good. Like fantastic eats. Guy Fieri was at the one we just had for breakfast this morning, which was awesome, which I think was Puta something Lodge. Amazing. Great food, great breakfast food. Had a beer and a waffle. Like fantastic. So if you're ever cruising between Sacramento and San Francisco, I highly recommend Winters, California. So let me give you a quick tour of everything and yeah, we'll check it out. So here's the front of beautiful Hotel Winters. This is where you check in right in there. The check-in counters to the left, I'll show all that. But this whole building is all of Hotel Winters. So you could get rooms down this whole place. Parking is on this side of the hotel, so if you're looking at the front of the hotel, it's to the right, and then that's where you'll park over here, and then you'll check in right here. But yeah, this is it, and we're thinking over here on this left side is where they're building a restaurant. They said that there is a restaurant going to be made, so probably on this lower tier where those actually like the umbrella tops are is probably where the restaurant's going to be. So this is the front of Hotel Winters. Now we're just going to walk into the front door here so you can check it all out. So over here is where you're going to check in when you first come in. And you can see they got a nice little seating area with, you know, a little fireplace here. It's a beautiful place inside. Beautiful lamps. Got a lot of seating in this whole spot here. As you can see, all kinds of stuff here. Then we'll take a cruise down here. Right to the right is where the hotel or the elevators are located, where you can go up to your rooms. They have another beautiful seating area on the other side of this fireplace, which over here they have 3 iPads that you can use for business stuff. You know, big couches, all kinds of stuff to do. Then you can walk here. This is a long hallway. Obviously, housekeeping is right here. Here's one of the conference rooms. Well, I'm gonna see if we could possibly go check it out. Food and beverage over here. Got a boiler room, which is right here to the right. Here's another way to get to one of their major conference rooms, which is over here. Obviously, it's the ballroom. I'm not sure if we could access it. I guess I could try. No, it's locked. No accessing that. But from the sitting area, the courtyard area, you can access it all the way from inside the front of the hotel and from the side right here. But yeah, this is the ballroom area. Catering storage is what that door says. So you keep walking this way. I don't know if there's rooms back here. This is probably still all the ballroom on the left. You have some public bathrooms, which are nice, super nice bathrooms. And it looks like you can exit on this side. So yeah, that is the entrance in the front. This must be another room here. It's called the Grove. But this is another beautiful place, man. It's a beautiful hotel. Like I said, kind of pricey, but gorgeous. So here is the patio area, and there's an ambulance going by, which is why I stopped that the first time. But here's a sitting area here in the back patio from the front of the hotel. It's got a nice, bunch of umbrellas to come and sit out here and relax. A lot of seating in here. A lot of people thought that this is a pool, and it's a fountain. So definitely not really a pool. So check your amenities before you're booking this hotel if you're looking for somewhere with a pool. But definitely, sick. Bunch of seating. It's a beautiful fountain, though. Like, really just fun to look at. I believe there's going to be a bar right in front of us, which is here, eventually put up. But it's not up yet. They're in the middle of construction. So, yeah, this is the back patio right here. It's a nice little fun place. You can have a few drinks back here and chill out. So this is the beautiful second floor. Obviously you can see they're all long hallways here, which is like awesome. As you can see, it goes both ways, like I was showing you from the front. So this is second floor here. You got your nice views out to, you know, that patio section where you can sit down and. But yeah, this is the way to room 204, which is where we're staying. And then you make a right here. Like I said, just gorgeous looking hotel. And here we go. Okay, so here is our room. First thing right when you walk in from this door, you have a closet right here, which is like a rolling barn door closet. Obviously you got your stuff, you got a safe, an iron, you got all kinds of stuff inside your, oh, and your ironing board. Stuff that you need when you're on the road. Cool little barn door though. That's pretty sweet. And then here's the bathroom, which Natty's in right now.
It's really big in here.
Yeah.
Look how big it is.
Yeah, you could like have a party in here.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we're gonna get major echo. You got your towels. Looks like your toiletries, like your toilet paper's on the side. You got your towel. Oh hey, hey. You got your toiletries. Looks like you got some lotion, some shower gel, shampoo. Got some Kleenex in case you need it. Some more little hand towels. Cool little mirror, some soap. Cool shower. Looks like you got kind of like a rain shower. And it looks like you could do a side attachment too. Looks like your stuff's over on this side. Some stuff to hang on. And we'll continue into the room, which has an amazing, like, that's a king size bed for sure. You got your Keurig, of course, some coffee. Looks like your different kinds of coffee. Cool little mason jars. It looks like you can fill up with water, which I did see a water dispenser out there, like a water bottle one where you put your water bottle in and it'll dispense to it. Some tongs. Looks like your ice stuff. Ooh, an open fridge like that. So you open it up, check it in. Looks like little, just some extra drawers. Yeah, for storage. You got your thermostat, which is on a freaking hand. I love it. On a remote. Remote thermostats are the way to go because you lay in bed and click it on and stuff. Cool light. Kind of like a sweet looking lamp there. You got your USBs right here on your radio. Some 2 plugs as well. Got sweet bed, nice looking. Big TV. Looks like it comes with 2 remotes, not sure. Lots of storage space here. Excuse our little mess already. You got your phone, your trash cans. Already using the wall plug right here. There's one here, it looks like. And then obviously you got another wall plug there. On this side of the table, there's no real USB plug-ins, only just on one side. You got your lamp, different kinds of more drawers beside your bed. A little chair to go with it. And our view is actually really sweet. Let's just open this up if we can. Maybe not. Can we open this?
You have to pull, like, shut
There we go. All right. Yeah, we got a nice little view of the hotel. There's the patio down there. I'm kind of looking more at the roof of our building, but cool patio and everything. Yeah, this is our room. It's sweet. What do you think of it?
It's really nice. I mean,
there's lots of space.
There's so much room I could do like a cartwheel in here.
Which you will do. We're going to do cartwheel. Yeah, look, I'm standing right here, and there's plenty of space here. You got a big room. Obviously, there's our air conditioner. Pretty sure that's just the joining room door right there in case we ever do a double. Oh, and your mirror. I totally skipped the mirror. You have a cool little mirror. Hello. Hey, future Austin here. I forgot to sign off, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Winters, California was an amazing town to be at, and the hotel was awesome. So, with that being said, it's Traveling Mayhem. We'll see you guys the next time.